Tim Reha here at Colorado Outdoors. It's a beautiful day out. We've got Dave Frank.
Yep.
With the city of Montrose, and we caught up over at the groundbreaking earlier.
What is really, I think, sparking a lot of this energy and enthusiasm, the fact that we have a city council and a city staff that are very pro-controlled growth, pro-industry.
Got it.
And we're also very active in endorsing our local college, the Colorado Mesa University.
Cool.
We're also very active in promoting our local restaurants, our local entertainment venues, a lot of those things, because one of the things that we as a city look at is how can we make Montrose a more dynamic, energetic, and fun place to live. But we want to make sure we do it in a very smart, controlled way. The growth outpaces the ability of the infrastructure to really support that. And so one of the things that we look at as a city is to try to make sure that we're not just having growth, but we're having smart, careful growth. Mm-hmm. One of those things is to have our Montrose Urban Renewal Authority, which is what we call the MURA. And the MURA encompasses the area of the Colorado Outdoors project.
Gotcha.
And Colorado Outdoors is kind of synonymous with our URA.
What types of companies are we trying to attract here with Colorado Outdoors?
One of the things that the URA and Colorado Outdoors is trying to attract are the outdoor industry suppliers.
Yeah.
One of the groups is going to be, they're a wetsuit manufacturer.
I saw that, yeah.
Yeah,
cool.
We have other groups that are kind of distribution centers for a lot of the outdoor industry sales groups. So there'll be a distribution hub.
Cool.
And so we're trying to make ourselves an outdoor recreation hub. And it's intentional and it's careful. As some of our board members on the URA have pointed out, that we want to be careful about who we draw here, because we want them to be long-term benefits to our community. So we're looking at people that are going to have good jobs, good paying jobs, long-term jobs, and also things that are going to be, they're going to draw the really cool, energetic slices of society here to Montrose.
Yeah, the entrepreneurs, the go-getters.
Yeah, because there's going to be a lot of those little satellite industries that feed off of those major manufacturing and distribution businesses.
Yeah.
So currently there's what they call the Flex building that is being constructed just on the side of us over here, that is going to have industrial space. It's going to have food retail space.
Yeah, it's kind of a live-work area zone.
Yeah, we've got on the southern end of our URA, we've got what's called Base Camp, which is an apartment complex that's coming in, and it's 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. And we have just on the north side of the URA, we have a Fairfield by Marriott.
Great,
so the nice hotel.
So how do people link up and connect up with the community and with you?
Well, we're available pretty much all the time. That our information is on the public on our Montrose City website. So all of our contact information is on there. We have an amazing staff with the City of Montrose. Our city engineer, Scott Murphy, is extraordinary. Our Public Works Director, Jim Scheid. Our city manager is just crazy good and very pro-business, Bill Bell. And our entire staff is built around that concept of let's make Montrose better.
Yeah, and you have fiber here too with Elevate.
Yeah, we have Elevate Fiber, so we have a 1 gig fiber network here in Montrose.
Yep.
So that when businesses move here, they have an opportunity to actually have remote offices for major corporations right here in Montrose.
Yeah, and the area is so beautiful. You can do shoots for your content, marketing, e-commerce.
Exactly.
Live shows. Okay, well, cool. So be sure to check out coloradooutdoors.co, and thanks for being on the show, and thanks for being so friendly and good to connect up. I look forward to continuing this amazing story. So cheers.
Thank you. Have a great day.